Hello, my name is John Conway and I am a sales rep, a technical sales manager for the Lallemand Bioingredients specializing in the fermentation industry. Lallemand has been producing yeast in Montreal for over 100 years starting in 1915. Today, I would like to briefly describe or explain how we make our yeast extracts, some of the benefits of yeast extracts, and why we feel Lallemand is a reliable, consistent supplier of yeast extract for the fermentation industry. Yeast extracts are the soluble fraction of yeast, and they are used in the production of microorganisms. These microorganisms can be used in the food applications such as yogurt and probiotics, pharmaceutical applications, and in the production of flavor molecules. It all starts here in the lab with a pure culture, pure strain of yeast that over the next few days is amplified many times in large fermenters, so that after 5 to 7 days we have what they call a cream yeast. It is with this cream yeast that we make our yeast extracts. These steps are shown in this flow chart. As I mentioned, we start in the lab with a pure culture. Over a 5-day period, the yeast is multiplied many times, this is called the culture stages, in larger and larger vessels until the seed yeast phase. This yeast is then added to the large fermenters. At this large scale, the yeast requires various nutrients: oxygen, a nitrogen source, a carbon source, and other molecules such as vitamins and minerals. The carbon source can be molasses, which has been clarified to remove the insoluble fraction, and then it is sterilized before addition to the fermenters. Once the fermentation is completed, the yeast slurry is washed to remove the fermentation media to produce a yeast cream. The yeast cream then undergoes the autolysis, which breaks down the cell into small components. Once the autolysis is complete, the slurry is heat treated to inactivate the yeast enzymes. From there is a separation step to separate the cell wall material from the soluble yeast extract fraction. The soluble fraction is then concentrated and dried. Why are yeast extracts so good for microbial growth? For me, it's like chicken soup. Yeast extracts contain all the good things that microbes need for optimum growth. Yeast extracts are soluble and easily assimilated by microbes. They're an excellent source of nitrogen containing many amino acids. They contain a broad range of vitamins, nucleic acids, and are rich in minerals and other growth factors. Since we also produce bacteria, we are quite sensitive to your challenges in bacteria production. You need a consistent quality product with minimum lot-to-lot variation. This is our mantra. We want to produce the same quality product time after time. We feel that we can offer you consistent quality products that give you excellent fermentation results. With our in-house expertise and innovation, we can also offer you specific new extracts for specific fermentations. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope you've learned something about yeast extract production and their use in fermentation. For more information, you can contact us at www.biolallemand.com. Thank you again.